Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to use smart strategy to save moves in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on level to start your game. Before making any moves, take a moment to look at the whole board. Notice which tiles are free and which are covered by others. Planning your moves first prevent wasted taps. Always remove tiles from the top layers first. This opens hidden tiles on the wheel and gives you more options. Side tiles are usually easier to free up. Clearing these tiles first open the board and prevent blocking important matches. The simple strategy saves extra moves and keeps the game flowing. Use power-ups like King Shuffle can save moves if used smartly. You can show a match instantly. Shuffle helps when no good matches are left. Use them when it's necessary to save the most moves. And that's it. By scanning the board, clearing top players and side planning ahead and using power-ups wisely, you can save moves and play faster in Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.